Good morning, everyone. Grade 7. Uh, Earlier we have done exercise till 6. So now, today we will start exercise number 8. So, page number 77. See the exercise 8. Conjugale verb. In this exercise, he is saying change in present form and future both. But we will do only one form, future pros only. Present form we will not do. Okay, only we will conjugate in the future pros. Some verbs are given in bracket. We have to conjugate these verbs in future pros, which we have done already. Exercise 5 also. So see the first one. A part. L dash the verb is given prompt आप the sukr dason kafe. So she is going to take a little sugar in her coffee. So the first one is L. We have to see the ale verb. What will come with L? Va. And prompt verb is a infinitive form. So as it is, verb will come, there will be no change. Only we have to conjugate the ale verb, and rest of the verb will, those verbs are given in bracket, there will be no change in future pros. Okay, as it is will come, only we have to conjugate here ale verb. So first one is L va prompt आप the sukr dans son cafe. Okay, she is going to take a little sugar in her coffee. So second one, vous allez. So vous allez will come, the sound will come, S sound go with A. So vous allez mettre du sel dans la salad. Okay, you are going to put salt in the salad. Third C part, nous allons essayer tous les exercise. Okay, we are going to try all the exercise. Rohan va faire du ski. Rohan va faire du ski. Okay, Rohan is going for ski. Then E part, je dash sa gomme. Okay, I will return his eraser. Okay, so je vais rendre sa gomme. Je vais rendre sa gomme. Okay, je is there, so ale verb singular form will come. So je vais. Okay, and after that see the exercise number 10. Choose la bonne réponse. You have to tick the right answer. First one is je tous les documents dans dossier. I have all the documents in my file. Okay, on peut payer par check. Okay, you can pay by check. Okay, or we can pay by check. Okay, on peut, so we can pay by check. Le client a une carte automatique. Okay, le client a une carte automatique. A Bonsier. Okay, there are two options. So Bonsier will come. Bensier is banking. Okay, the client une carte is talking about the credit card or for banking. Okay, so D part, il est important de verser régulièrement à la banque or sur la compte. Okay, what will come? Régulièrement will come. So it is important for regularly. Il est important, it's important for regularly. Régulièrement is regularly. Okay, then E part, un client peut ouvrir un regularly à la banque or sur la compte. There are two options. So we have to sur la compte will come in this. Okay, so il est important de verser régulièrement. Okay, till here there will be no change. Okay, okay, this tick will go sur la compte. Okay, so do the tick here, sur la compet. Okay, maybe by. So E part, D part, you have to tick the sur la compet. Okay, D part you have to tick sur la compet. Okay, till regularmo il est important the verse regularmo, this will come. Then after that you will add only sur le compet. Okay, there will be no change. E part a client peut ouvrir un compet de épargne. Okay, so a client can open saving account. Okay, a client can open saving account. Okay, then F part, Pierre is a name. Okay, वो faire the economy. Okay, Pierre, वो to want. Okay, vulvar verb, veut, this is a vulvar verb, this is a conjugation of vulvar verb. Pierre, P-I-E-R-R, it's a name of. Okay, Pierre is a name. Want to save money. Okay, Pierre wants to save money. Okay, so Pierre is a name, verb veut, it's a vulvar verb. Faire the economy to save money. Okay, Pierre wants to save money. Okay, this is your exercise 8 and 9. Okay, and next lecture we will start exercise book of this chapter. Okay, some exercises we will do from there exercise book. So next lecture keep your exercise book with you. Okay, and again I'm saying question number 10 D part, il est apporto do verse regularmo, this will come, plus we have to add only sur le compet. Okay, add this word sur le compet, tick this one. Okay, this is the right answer. Fine, sur le compet. Okay. Okay, take care. So next lecture we will do exercise book. Okay, so okay, thank you, take care everyone.